This is our Porsche Macan GTS. It's a superb car in the absolute best colour of Carmine Red, which is that triple layer red paint that costs around £2,000 as an option. This particular car's got around £12,000 worth of factory options. It's in stunning colour combination of the Carmine Red with the best interior, the 3000 optional carbon interior trims, and Alcantara half leather, which I'll get to in a moment, with the red stitching and logos. But just look at it, that paint is just stunning. You've got the cross spoke wheels, and they're all shod in the correct Audi rated Goodyear Eagle tyres, and these have all got around probably about 6 mil on them. They were replaced in January 2020. Sorry, February I think it was actually. Got the GTS logo there with the colour coded side blades. This has got the sport design wing mirrors as well, so you get all this colour coded as opposed to black as standard. It's got the adaptive LED headlights with Porsche Dynamic Lighting System, essential option to have. Looks fantastic with the daytime running lights, the gloss black. It's got the surround view cameras there, you can see the camera there. I sell a lot of these, and whenever I get a Macan GTS, I always usually insist it's in this colour combination, and it's got to have a high specification, otherwise I won't buy it. You've got the tinted LED tail lights. You've got the Macan GTS logo, or lettering I should say, in satin black. The gloss black sports exhaust with the gloss black tailpipes. That's all colour coded as part of the sport design kit, which isn't on normal Macans. That's normally black textured plastic. And then you've got the gloss black window surrounds, panoramic roof. Let's have a look at the interior. We'll start with the boot. So the boot area, you've got the suspension, because this one's got air suspension. You can raise it or lower it from this button if you want to load the car. 12 volt socket, and underneath here you've got your Bose subwoofer and amplifier for the Bose Sound System, which is another option. You've got the double button there for close and lock. We sold this car previously to the current owner, and he's part exchanged it back to us against another motor. It's got the lovely Alcantara with the red stitching, carbon fibre trim, again with extended leather and red stitching. It's a very expensive option, this, and I think it's well worth having because it makes the interior feel special, and not just like another Macan. You feel you're in something sporty and high performance. Got the Bose Sound System, and here's your interior. So you've got the Alcantara and the leather with GTS logo in red, the red stitching all along the seats. Obviously you've got these ribbed sections here as well, and it's the same round the inside on the driver's side. So again, you've got the carbon fibre, the memory settings, so you've got the 18-way seats here, power folding wing mirrors, windows, tailgate, and then the Alcantara here with the stitching and the Bose speaker. Porsche logoed carpet mats, the Macan GTS sill plates, your 18-way adjustable seats, which are the best ones. Do not get ones without that because it's not as comfortable at all. And again, GTS logo in red, red stitching, the Alcantara centres. It feels very, very sporty, as it ought to, because it is a GTS. This one's got the keyless entry and drive, so that is not a key, ladies and gents. I know a lot of people ask me this. That is fixed in place for the keyless system. That's how Porsche work. The keys are here, so as long as these keys are in the car, then you can start the car. It's got a heated steering wheel, which is the button here. Great option to have in the winter. Cruise control, flappy paddles here, and 3-spoke steering, sports steering wheel, the aluminium trim. It's got the sports exhaust, the lane assist, off-road, auto stop start. Got the air suspension, which just makes a huge difference on the ride quality, as well as the Porsche Active Suspension Management, sport button, traction control, heated seats, dual zone climate control, again the carbon fibre trim, and then of course your panoramic roof. And if I just turn this on, you'll then be able to see the newer updated navigation media system, which is this app style interface that you get on this 2016-17 Macans, which was a much bigger improvement compared to the 14 and 15 plate models. So it gives you this sort of app style interface. It's all touch screen, very responsive, much better than the previous mate, and certainly worth having. So when you play music, you've actually got numerous different sources: jukebox, disc, auxiliary, Bluetooth, DAB, etc. There's numerous different options there to play music from. Your navigation's a lot faster and more responsive. Everything's just much improved compared to the last one. You've got the memory card slots there. Just having this with a Porsche logo is actually an option that comes part of this pack, and if not, it's quite plasticky and horrible if you don't have that. Alcantara armrest, and then USB auxiliary 12-volt sockets there, another 12-volt socket there, handbrake, and that is pretty much it, folks. Again, more extended leather here with the red stitching. Just looks fantastic. You need to have a Macan GTS in this colour, and you need to have the carbon and the red stitching, because it just feels a really special place to be. So I can highly recommend it. Priced very competitively. It's got warranty till I think it's mid-September or end of September with Porsche, that's been extended. It's got a full Porsche service history. You can obviously extend the warranty if you extend it before the end of term. You've got those huge red Porsche brake calipers, and what more can I say? It's a superb vehicle. Come back to me if you'd like to book in a test drive. If you want it delivered to your home or office, we can do that for you. There's a small charge of around £1.50 a mile on a trailer, and we do of course offer numerous different finance packages that we can offer you for the finance on any of our vehicles. So any more questions or queries, do email me or text me, or just give me a call. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. You can subscribe just below, and that will alert you every time we get a car that you may be interested in. And if not, I will see you soon. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to talking to you about our Macan GTS.